grapes make you fat or lose weight. We are mistakenly convinced that grapes and slimming do not get along, but on the contrary, the grape helps to lose weight for various reasons. First of all, it is rich in vitamins and minerals and has beneficial properties for the cardiovascular and gastro-intestinal systems. The skin of red grapes, in fact, contains numerous polyphenols, that is antioxidant and anti-inflammatory molecules that protect our cells from oxidative damage. It is a low-calorie fruit since 100 grams of grapes bring about 65 kilocalories, and it also has a good fiber content that helps our intestines find regularity. Being made up of about 70 to 80% of water, the grape has a remarkable moisturizing power, as well as a diuretic. Eating grapes, in fact, will also help those who follow a low-calorie diet to contain hunger by immediately acquiring a sense of fullness and improving the hydration of the tissues. Resveratrol contained in grapes gives it not only antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, but also the ability to induce weight loss and reduce blood fat levels. Furthermore, with its draining effect, it helps to counteract water retention and therefore to eliminate excess fluids. Consuming it regularly therefore can be useful in a weight loss program, always associated with regular physical activity and a healthy and balanced diet.